Duck meat for lunch, is it delicious? Duck meat is often overlooked, with many people sticking to the more common chicken or beef. However, duck can be a delicious and versatile option for lunch that is well worth considering. With its rich, succulent flavor and tender texture, duck meat can elevate any midday meal. One of the key benefits of duck is that it is packed with nutrients. It's an excellent source of protein, iron, and vitamins, making it a nutritious choice. When prepared properly, duck can also be lean, offering a healthier alternative to red meats. The taste of duck is often described as richer and more gamey than chicken, with a slightly sweet undertone. This unique flavor profile means duck pairs beautifully with a variety of accompaniments, from fruity sauces to roasted vegetables. Whether you opt for a duck salad, a duck burger, or a classic roasted duck dish, incorporating this underrated meat into your lunchtime routine can be a real treat for your taste buds. So next time you're planning your midday meal, don't be afraid to give the duck a try. You might just be pleasantly surprised.